In the heart of Oshkosh, Wisconsin, a hidden treasure was about to be lost to time. Behind the walls of a soon-to-be-demolished building, we discovered a stunning backbar from the early 1900s. Crafted from solid oak with intricate ionic columns and antique mirrors, it was a masterpiece of craftsmanship, too beautiful to be forgotten. Before it could be destroyed, our team rushed in, carefully dismantling it and transporting it to our workshop. The restoration process was no small task. Over 200 hours went into repairing, refinishing, and reassembling the backbar, ensuring every detail was true to its original design. We addressed carpentry, added a gleaming finish to the beautiful courtesan oak, replaced misting moldings, and sourced matching hardware. But we didn't stop there. To make this historical beauty functional for today, we added modern touches: mirrored cabinets, sleek Edison bulbs, color-changing LEDs, and a sound mode that syncs with the music. We even made sure to modify it for disassembly so it could find its way into a new home. The result? A stunning fusion of tradition and innovation. Standing 16 feet wide and 10 feet tall, this revitalized backbar is more than just furniture. It's a living piece of history, ready to grace a grand bar, hotel, venue, or a lucky person's home. It's a timeless piece that will captivate for generations to come. At the end of the day, this isn't just about restoration. It's about preserving the craftsmanship that makes these objects so special and ensuring they will continue to be enjoyed for another generation. Here at the Harp Gallery, we bring thousands of pieces back to their former glory every year. Check us out at harpgallery.com to see what we can do for you.